Hello, BNI. Josh Iverson with iMedia Audiences. I'm excited to talk to you today about digital marketing and get into a little bit more detail about what iMedia Audiences does. So as you can see to the right of your screen, social media, SEO, video, mobile and tablet, meaning like your website, making it accessible, making sure you get a strong ROI, and then your search engine marketing down at the bottom, media buying, which is across all different types of platforms, creating content, and then social media, of course. So wanted to get into this a little bit more. Got my family in there, but I definitely want to talk about the iMedia sales team, iMedia Audiences, Reptide Media family. Now we do have 3 different brands and just want to go over those. We have iMedia Sales Team, that is for team members. And so your iMedia Sales Team member joins iMedia. They have their landing page and can basically communicate with potential customers and clients, and you can refer people to the iMedia Sales Team website to connect with them. There's also a free digital review where somebody can have their website, their social, all of their digital assets evaluated. And then the iMedia Sales Team member can go over that with them. Right in the middle, you've got iMedia Audiences. That's the brand that we're going to be talking most about today. That's the brand that we would ask you to refer to when you're talking to your friends and family and your network. So iMedia Audiences local. And then Reptide Media is self-serving site, and it basically you can go there and actually just purchase a package which gives you social media and marketing virtual assistants to basically manage all these things that you have access to. Now you can manage these things directly or on your own or with your advertising manager or yourself directly, or you can hire Reptide to do it for you. And that's part of the iMedia Sales Team family, owned and operated and trained. And those virtual assistants are, handpicked and trained, and they're fantastic. So we're so grateful for our Reptide Media division. Now, how do you really think about discussing digital marketing and your media presence? Well, really the easiest way to say is, well, how do you improve your online presence? Because that's really what we want to do. We always want to be improving our online presence. And the simplest way to do that is to ask, can your clients find me, and can your clients then choose me, and will they refer people to me, or will they be able to find you or your business name, your name first and last, Google it, see what you find, and then once you find it, will they choose you based on what they find? And then of course, can you make it easy for them to refer you online? Can they find a way to easily share your information to a prospective customer that they want to talk to you about? That's really an entire marketing plan, and you can do more to it, and we could find new customers, people that aren't even thinking about you, and then we're talking about advertising. So what business asset never depreciates and grows in value? Well, you might say a website, you might say social media posts, you might say videos, you might say content, and indeed we are going to say content. Now, content's been around forever. From the earliest days of advertising and marketing to writing a book, content is how you spread information and ideas. And so we're specifically, as it relates to business, talking about your website, meaning the blogs on those websites, photos, or videos. And we'll spend a little bit more time on videos. But before that, I just want to talk about klostermanelectric.com, one of our clients. We do their website. It's a WordPress website and the blog package. They have a 12-month blog package. So they get the discounted monthly blog, and they pay that monthly, and then that's automatically posted to their website. And it works as a sales tool, and it will work for years to come to drive traffic to their site, SEO, and all those things. So the content is produced each month. It's sent to the owner to approve that content or make edits or add their own photos. And then it's sent back to us and we post it on the site. It's very simple. It's done in Word, so it's easy to put it up. We research the keywords and make sure it has all the keywords. And then of course there might be other links and other things that the owner wants to put in, but otherwise it's no touch. Yes, it looks good, post away. And we do that for hundreds of clients. Now let's talk about video. Video can be used in a lot of different ways. So when you create a video, it can be used for advertising, iMedia leverages YouTube and CNN News Source and TikTok and more. And of course, local video advertising for TV. And really, you think about the future of TV is going to be much more local, and we do digital TV as well. You can use it for SEO. Sites with videos have 157% increase in organic traffic from normal search engines. So if every page of your website had a YouTube video even, or a video embedded, that would be a huge bonus. You can use it on social media, especially with video on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, especially, and it can be on your website. Obviously, putting it on your website helps consumers maybe make a purchase. They view a video, it helps you sell large package items or more comprehensive things, financial services, insurance, all the way to products and restaurants and everything. And then landing pages. Landing page is when you have like you're paying and you're driving clicks to a certain page, and that might be a page on your website, or it might be a self-standing landing page. And that helps to increase the conversion rate. So if you decided to start shipping around the world, you might have a video that welcomes people to that. Now let's just look at a couple of our videos. You can go to one of on our website, and you can actually then search in here
at
content
Heaven's
and
Furniture,
experience.
Patricio works with designers from design to finish. He can work with any model by reducing the costs of high-end furniture. He's done this for celebrities, influencers, and other high-end clients.
I like to use Patricio as an example because he is not a content expert by any means. He is an artisan. He does work with many high-end clients in Beverly Hills and surrounding, and they can bring him a multi-$1,000 piece of furniture, and he can improve it. He can create somewhat of a, if you've got one chair and you want 4 more or 3 more to match it, he can do that. So he's very good. He just needs to be able to convey that a little bit more. Now, a video is based on the content that we receive or hiring us to go in and film it. We have videographers across the country that can do that. And then you can bring that video in and edit it. And we have a lot of different ways to look at that video. This is for B2B and tech and communication. We have a whole page on that. We have a whole page on even CBD and figuring out how to push CBD.
A Dreamer Cannabis located in
across just with content and images. And then of course it can be full motion, which means that we have somebody actually going to the location and actually filming and whatnot. And that's definitely having somebody, and you got to coordinate interviews and all that. We have a project manager which will help somebody do that. In terms of other video content, certainly it becomes available, and you can do your own video content as well. Now, let me ask a question. What is the most popular website? We're in 2022 now, so what is the most popular website of recent years? Okay, guess. Well, it is TikTok, believe it or not. This is from cloudflare.com article, and you can go check it out at the bottom if you can see that URL. But what I really like to look at is TikTok, Google, Facebook, Microsoft, Apple, Amazon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, Netflix, 7. This is during the pandemic, right? And then you look at 2020, Google, Facebook, Microsoft, Apple, Netflix, Amazon, TikTok. So TikTok moved from 7 in 2020 to #1 in 2021. Now, I'll just kind of show you TikTok. Now, we have just started to use TikTok, and we don't have really much. I literally started this a week ago and haven't really done much on it other than using it for how-to. So I'm sending it to my team members just to show some basic things. And look at this one. This one's only been up about less than a week, and it's already got 815 views. And these are just people saying, why is Google Meet not letting me share my screen on an Apple computer? Well, it goes into how to fix that. I just create these videos for my team, and team members create them just because I'm empowering my members. So I just figured I'll make a TikTok video. It's fun, and sure enough, 815 views. Now, when's the last time a small business made a post that got 815 views on a video? TikTok's algorithm works uniquely. So you can do something like search, pool install. If that's the type of business you have, you can look for pool install, and you can find all of these great videos of how to install a pool. This one's been seen 741,000 times. And you can actually go to these individuals that are producing content you can actually use their video. You know, you can pay them a certain amount to do their video, or to essentially use that as content. And then you just put your link on it and your logo on it, and we can do all that for you. And TikTok does that as well. They're very early into small business. So we actually are a TikTok agency, so we can help with that. But the main thing is you just create content for your business. Maybe it goes viral, maybe not. But ultimately, you can find somebody and then use their video. And really, it's just creating content, not even an ad necessarily. And let's find something else really quickly. Let's find a brand. So, you know, let's use Ancestry, who's one of our advertisers. They are not a TikTok advertiser. We do other things for them. They already have 36K followers, and they have all of this great content on here from people looking at their Ancestry results and finding about their DNA, looking at their grandmother, all of this amazing content out here. So you may not even know that people have already made content about your name or brand. So it's very interesting, and there's definitely a reason to jump on the TikTok wave. Now let's look at the concept of, well, you don't have any time to take a photo. If you don't have any time to take a photo, you know, call your local photographer, use a pro for headshots, at least every year or two. You probably want to do that. And then certainly you can incentivize your staff or your clients, you know, for social, right? You can actually just say, you know, as a reward, give me your photos, take photos, and you can do it. The client, the employee that takes the most photos of the business each month wins a prize. The clients or customers that are sending in photos win a prize. I find posting to Instagram is the best place. If you post to Instagram, it's made for photos. It ensures that you can then download that image, do other things with that image. So Instagram is very easy to get on your phone and very easy to edit and make that photo look good. So download Instagram and use it and repost from Instagram. We have a lot of clients that just go to Instagram, and then we go to Instagram, pull the photo from Instagram, and we can post it on other social medias. Instagram's a great digital photo, if you will, or folder, and it actually then lives on as a social media entity. So what about if you have no time to compile or write content? You know, I say compile / write because you know, sometimes it's just compiling content, and not everyone's an expert copywriter. Well, we can do SEO keyword blogs on topics for $180 each or $140 monthly with a 1-year contract. So we certainly do that, but you can incentivize, again, your staff or clients to write content for you. And actually, I want to show you this. This is really cool. This is using AI, artificial intelligence writing to help you. And this is a great tool called Word Hero. There's another one called Copy.ai. And my favorite thing on this is to actually just go down and look at this right here. It's called Explain It Like a Child. And I'm just going to put this in right here. Mike is an amazing attorney and a true American superhero. I'm just gonna throw it in there. Let's see what it comes up with. Oh, I gotta refresh the page. All right, let's do this, sorry. Let's go here because I needed to refresh the page. So I'm gonna go down to explain it to a child. Mike is an amazing attorney and true American superhero. Let's see what it comes up with. So this is going out to the internet, it's going in its database, it's looking at all these keywords, and it's coming up with something to write. What it says is, Mike is an amazing attorney because he defends people who need it. He's like a superhero because he helps people who can't help themselves. For example, if someone is in trouble and they need a lawyer, Mike is the person they would call. He's also very smart and knows a lot about the law. Pretty good. Okay, here's also what it says. Mike is a great lawyer. He knows a lot about the law and can help you if you have any legal problems. He's also a really good guy and always tries to do what's right. Mike is like a superhero because he's always there to help people in need. And this continues to work. Let's do another one. How about Ed, or let's do this one. Ken, let's do Dr. Ken helps people lose weight and stay and be healthy. And he is a true American superhero. Actually, let's just write hero. Well, let's just do, let's see, we got Dr. Ken is a doctor. Okay, great. It recognized the word doctor, who helps people lose weight and be healthy. He is a true American superhero because he helps people be healthy and fit. He is like a Superman because he helps people do things they never thought they could do, like lose weight. Dr. Ken is a great role model for people who want to be healthy and fit. Dr. Ken is a superhero who helps people lose weight and be healthy. He is a true American hero because he uses his powers to help others. He is like Superman because he saves people from harm. Dr. Ken is also like Batman because he uses his intelligence to help others. He is a great role model for kids because he teaches them how to be healthy and stay fit. And if I wanted to use this, I just copied it. I have now written multiple sentences in about 30 seconds that I could then repost or do something for content. So that's the new AI. If you do this yourself, that's great. We generally encourage our clients to do a lot of their own content. Certainly we can't do photos, but then they can put it in a folder or give it to us, and then they direct our dedicated marketing assistant to post that content across the web. And posting it across the web in all those different places is time consuming, but it's not as time consuming as content creation. So that's why we can do the content creation for an added cost, but it's not included in our normal package. So with that, just want to thank you for your time, and certainly get in touch with me or your iMedia sales team representative, and or check us out at imediaaudiences.com/local. Thanks so much. Take care.